Some plugins have one sound output that will come out of its instrument, but do you know that there are some that can have even like 16 of them out of one instrument? Today, we're going to talk about how to use these multi-VSTs as multiple inputs as well as multiple outputs in FL Studio. Let's pull up an instance of Omnisphere. For those who have never seen this before, all you have to know is that this plugin has the ability to use 8 different channel slots. This means that we can put 8 different sounds on and play those 8 sounds with 8 different MIDI channels. But let's use 4 to save us some time. Starting with number 1, we'll select this sound here. Great, let's make a melody with it. Cool. Now for number 2, I'll go with this one. And now if I were to press on the keys on the piano roll, we're playing from sound number 1. Now you're gonna ask, how do we play sound 2? From here, we have about 4 different options we can do to resolve this. Number 1 is the anticlimactic route, which is to open up another instance of Omnisphere, load in the preset, then do the melody. But that's what we're trying to avoid. Option 2 would be to open what is known as a MIDI out. But first, go back to Omnisphere, click the gear icon, then to the plugin with the gear icon, and see where it says input port. We'll want to assign that to a number. Let's do 1. Back to MIDI out, we will set the output port to 1. So what gets sent from out 1 will go into in 1. Almost done. We just have to change the MIDI channel to number 2, indicating the second channel in Omnisphere. This was the original way to go about it, and you know what? You may prefer to do it this way compared to the new way to do it, which is option 3. In the same piano roll of Omnisphere, we could go right here to this obvious location for the MIDI channels. That was sarcasm. Click on it and we'll see we have 16 different MIDI channels to use. In our case, we just need to go to number 2 for the second channel. Go ahead and hit some keys and there you have it. Just make a melody and you're good. Now, I don't know about you, but seeing 2 different instruments, especially when the colors are damn near identical, but 2 instruments in the same piano roll, it's not a pretty sight, which leads us to our final option, option 4. Pretty much the same thing as option number 3, but put in a new pattern, then drop both patterns in the playlist and work from there. Now you see why I said that you may prefer the MIDI out option, right? Having the melodies on separate instrument channels in the rack while playing it as a pattern would be more of the ideal way to go about it. I have a pattern here using 4 different channels from Omnisphere. Cool. Let's go ahead and mix these 4 sounds now. But look, it's in Mixer Insert 1, and all the sounds are combined. How do we separate them? This part may be a bit tricky depending on your multi-VST that you're using, but see what I do here, and you could translate it with your own plugin. This part is universal though. Click the gear, wrapper settings, but now we have to go to the processing tab, and we're greeted with this connections section. Say that 10 times. In the case of Omnisphere, we have 9 different connections that we could separate. But yeah, we're working with the 4 like I said. Notice what happens in the mixer when I change A from blank to 1. The sound output moved. There's no mixer routing done here, by the way. It's straight up from this setting here. But we'll leave A as blank, B on 1, C 2, and D 3. Now for the plugin specific side. Pay attention in Omnisphere's multi-tab. We see the 8 channel settings. The one we care about for this video is right here, the Out A section. Right now, all of the sounds are going to Out A, which is why we have a combined sound. So all we have to do is set the outs for the ones we want. 2 goes to B, 3 to C, and 4 to D. Now if we play the pattern, we see that they have their own home in the mixer now. Do your best to find the output settings on your Multi-VST and set them accordingly. By the way, what Multi-VST plugin are you guys and girls using? Let me know. And if you made it this far, let me go ahead and show you a little bit of secret sauce that's going to help you out. Remember when I said that seeing two instruments in the same piano roll sucks, especially when the colors are so similar? Well, there's a way that we can help this case. In the piano roll, go to the Options, View, Note Colors, and Edit Palette. Here, we could change up how these channels look. So we could change channel 2 to something like yellow, and 3, and 4, but look how much it improves our vision. Why did FL Studio use these colors? I don't know, it's weird. And you know what else is weird in FL Studio? Panning. Check out this video right here to see why. And if you want to learn about music in its entirety, go ahead and invest yourself on my music course at justinomoe.com.